2 by 2 is 4. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 50. 2 by 7 is 14. 7 by 7 is 49. The answer is 189. 8 by 9 is 72. 5 by 9 is 45. The answer is 765. 7 by 5 is 35. 3 by 5 is 15. The answer is 365. 2 by 8 is 16. 7 by 8 is 56. The answer is 216. 4 by 3 is 12. The answer is 120. 7 by 3 is 21. 7 by 3 is 21. The answer is 231. 2 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 16. The answer is 56. 2 by 4 is 8. 4 by 4 is 16. The answer is 96. 2 by 3 is 6. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 66. 4 by 9 is 36. 4 by 9 is 36. The answer is 396. 8 by 4 is 32. 6 by 4 is 24. The answer is 344. 4 by 3 is 12. 1 by 3 is 03. The answer is 123. 5 by 2 is 10. 6 by 2 is 12. The answer is 112. 1 by 5 is 05. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 90.